We made this change on the bolt series based on your feedback. So this upgrade is called the rotary tray. So without the tray, on the bolt, you're looking at 4.3 inches of Z-drop, and on the Bolt Plus 24, you're looking at 5.9 inches. What this does is it gives you an additional 2 inches, meaning you have more clearance to work on taller items and larger cups. And now it comes standard on the Bolt and the Bolt Plus 24 machines. Today I'm going to show you how to install the rotary tray and show 2 projects of the machine in action with the tray. The first thing I'm going to do is lower the bed, remove the honeycomb bed, set it somewhere safe to where you don't trip on it. I have done that before. Raise it back up a little bit and then install your rotary tray. And it does have magnets, so once you get it where you want it, it will stay in place. But you can move the tray as far inward as you want or as far outward as you want, depending on the size of the item you're looking to cut or engrave. So the first thing I want to show you is the rotary tray with a rotary. This is the Talon Pro, and Thunder Laser rotaries come with magnets on the feet. So when you're using a rotary with the rotary tray, it stays in position. So when you put it in and take it out, it's always going to be just how you left it. Now I just need to install the tumbler. Tighten that up, make sure it's level, and we're good to go. It's really that simple. Now that we're finished with the tumbler, let's transition to using the toolbox. So the rotary tray is not just for rotary work. It's for any object that's a little taller than you're able to achieve with just a standard bed. And so you put the rotary tray in and you got that extra 2 inches of clearance. So now that we got it set up, let's run it. So this was the new rotary tray that's now included with the Bolt and the Bolt Plus 24. If you're interested in learning more about this machine or purchasing one, schedule a call with our sales team and we'll be happy to help.